Hey guys, so today I've got my last Halloween haul of the year to show you. Now I am going to do another clothing and makeup little mini haul at some point, but the majority of my like Halloween decoration sort of like homeware stuff is here now, so I'm just going to do this one. Now I do still have a few little bits arriving, so I'll post them on Instagram, so if you want to go see any like extra bits that I get, then feel free to follow me on Instagram, which I'll put down below. But yeah, this is the majority of it, so I'm just gonna show you what I've got. Now I'm gonna get the bigger items out of the way first, just so I can kind of like put them back where they were, because I am surrounded by cushions at the minute, so that is what I'm gonna show you. So the first things that I've got is some of the Halloween squishmallows. I did get some of these last year. They are one of my favourite things that comes out at Halloween time. They're super squishy. They're like kind of like a pillow teddy cushion sort of thing. So this is the mummy one, and this one is called, what's this one called? This one's called Milo. So these are from Aldi and they are $6.99, and that's the mummy one. And I also got the skeleton one. This one's definitely my favourite one. He's like a really dark velvety grey with white details. This one is called Sticks, which is very cute, and again he was $6.99 from Aldi. These are the 12-inch ones. There is like bigger and smaller ones, but these are the 12, so that is those two. Then next, this one came from Sainsburys. This is the same kind of squishy soft texture as the Squishmallows, but this is just like made by Sainsburys. It's this black big spider. He does have legs. I know it's not showing up very well on camera, but he does have these little legs at the side, and then he does have a button here on the leg, and the eyes actually light up. I know that that's not going to show up very well on the camera, but he does have little light up glowing eyes, which is pretty cute. Not really sure why you would want your cushion to light up, but it is a cute little feature though. He was £12, I believe. I think he was 12. He was either 12 or 10, but I'm pretty sure in my mind it's 12, so I think that's how much he was. Then next, I actually picked these up yesterday. So these are called fuglers. Now I know this isn't really a Halloween item, but they are kind of creepy looking, so I'm just going to throw these in here. These were from The Entertainer, and they've got these like really lifelike teeth. This is the bigger one, and I've also got 3 little ones as well, but he's pretty big and he was only £8, so very cute. I'm not really sure what he's supposed to be, but he's super soft and squishy, and I just thought it was really cute, so I got that one. And then like I said, I did get 3 of the little ones as well. So this is the first one. Like I said, really creepy, lifelike, like human teeth. They're just weird. So there is this one, he was £4.50. There is this alien one, which again was £4.50. And then the last one, which I think is my favourite one, is this one, who is in a little straitjacket. Very weird. These are in a children's toy shop. Not sure how I feel about that. I don't feel like this is really a child's toy so much, but again, very cute. So they were all £4.50 for the little ones. Then next we have a Build-A-Bear that my boyfriend got me. This is the Pumpkin Glow Bear, and it's got a candy floss scented like disc in it, so he smells of candy floss. He also, like I said, is the Glow Bear, so he's got a little button in his hand here and his face glows like the other one. I don't think you're going to be able to see it in this light. It kind of just fades in and out like a little soft orange glow on his face. So this one was £22. We did also buy the Oogie Boogie one, but Build-A-Bear has the worst customer service I've ever experienced in my whole entire life. So that one didn't come. This one also didn't come. I had to get a refund for both of them and buy this one in the shop, but the Oogie Boogie one was an online exclusive, so I went to eBay and bought that one for double the price because Build-A-Bear sucks. And that one's not arrived yet, so I can't show you that one, but this one is very cute though, and he's super fluffy and soft, so I love him. Next I've got this, which was from Sainsburys, and this is like a little chalkboard. So it says trick or treat up here in gold. It's got this like cut out bat, so you could probably hang it up by that if you wanted to, and then it's got this sort of like filigree kind of design around it. I just thought this was really pretty to like write little notes to yourself on, or like if you live in a house with other people and you want to know what food they want for like dinner that night or something, you could like write little options on it or something. I don't know, just thought it was very cute. And this was, I think this was either £6 or £8 from Sainsburys. So there is that. It is like wood as well, so it's pretty good quality. Then we have this. Again, this is from Sainsburys. This is just a sticker up here, so that comes off. But it says spells and enchantments, and it's sort of like embossed in there in gold, and it says it on the spine as well. It's just a big book, but it's actually a box, so you can use it as a storage box. It's got little magnets that like keep it shut there, and that is that. Really cute design for just like a Sainsbury's item. I think it's really pretty. This was £6. Then we get onto the kind of smaller items. So the last Sainsbury's thing I got is this cute little plastic ghost. He's nothing too exciting. It's literally just a little light up plastic ghost. It comes on in different colours, so it changes through the colours, and I think this was about £3. So I probably won't ever turn the light on. I just thought it was cute like as he is, so there is that. Then when I was getting the Fugler teddies, I also got some of these little vinyl ones of them as well. So they come boxed up like this, and there's loads of different like versions that you can get. This is the series 2 one, so I got this little like crazy bear one. And I also got this one that I've already got out of the box, which is the little bat one. These also have the crazy little human-like teeth on them. And these were £2.50. So still pretty cheap. I think they're quite cute for that price. So I got those. Next I got some candles. So this one is from TKMaxx. I got this ages ago, but it's been like on display on one of my shelves, so I totally forgot about it. This was £6.99. It has a really cute metal lid with this like cobweb design on it. Just says boo. Really cute. Don't love the smell of it. It doesn't smell that amazing in my opinion, but I just kind of bought it for the look of it really, so that's fine. But that is the first candle. And then I also got 2 from Home Bargains as well. So these are by the brand Wickford & Co. And this one is Booberry. Now these are kind of sort of like a fake Yankee candle sort of thing, but these are so strong and they smell so good. These were £2.99, so super cheap. This Booberry one smells kind of like blackberry. And I also got this one, which is called Trick or Treat, and this one kind of smells like oranges, but not fresh oranges, like a sweet candy kind of orange. I'm not really too sure what scent that is supposed to be. It's definitely not a pumpkin smell. It's definitely a lot fruitier than that, but I am perfectly fine with that. So that is those 2 candles, £2.99. Then next I got this from TKMaxx a long time ago, and I actually repainted it. So I don't remember how much this was now. I'm pretty sure it was either £5.99 or £6.99. But when I originally bought it, it was green and gold, and I just didn't really like it. I'll insert a picture here now of what it looked like before I painted it. So that is what it looked like before I kind of redid it. So I just kind of painted this black. I put black velvet behind here, and I put some white details on the moth. I just think it looks a lot nicer in black and white. It did look okay in green and gold as well, but this kind of goes more with the decor in my room. So that was from TKMaxx. Then next I got some glasses. So if you watch my videos usually, you'll know that I've been buying kind of like house stuff and putting it away in storage. So that is probably where these are going to end up. But these were from Asda, and these were really, really cheap, so I just bought the whole set. These are Disney Villains glasses. Now I'm not sure how well this is going to show up on camera, but this is a purple one with Ursula on it. So there is that one. Then we have a pink one with the evil queen on it. I know it's not focusing very well because it's like a really thin outline of her, but there is that one. There is a yellow one with Maleficent on it. And there is a red one with Cruella de Vil on it. So they were £3 each, which I feel like is amazing. These are like proper glass, really cute. So I got all of those, and I also got 2 of the wine glasses. Well, I got the whole set of wine glasses, but then I gave my friend 2 of them because I didn't need 4. So I picked up the pink and the red one. So this one is the evil queen one, and it has a little poison apple on the other side, and then the red Cruella de Vil one with the little flaming car on the other side. So again, they were £3 from Asda, real glass. Really like those. Then next I got an Oogie Boogie pen. This is one of the Pop Funko Nightmare Before Christmas pens. It's just got him on the top, and then it's just a ballpoint pen at the bottom. This was £4 off eBay. Then another TKMaxx item again that I got ages ago that's been up on my shelf, so I forgot about it, is this kind of really sad screaming looking ghost. This is a tea light holder. At the minute it's just got a fake tea light in it, so it looks like this, and this was £3.99. Then next I do actually have something else from Sainsburys. I thought I'd shown you everything, but there is this as well. This is another one of those like plasticky shopping bags. This was only £2. It's got Jack Skellington and Zero on it, and like some little graves down here. It's the same on both sides, and it's got little handles, so I just keep these in my car to like take to put my shopping in, so I grabbed one of those. Another thing that they sold with the glasses in Asda as well was these little coasters. I don't remember how much these were. I think they were like £1.50 or something like that. Again, these are glass, and I just got the Cruella de Vil one. They did have all 4 of them, but I didn't really like the other ones. I just wanted this one, so just a little drinks coaster. Then next I got this from Poundland. So this was £1. This is a spooky projector. It says it projects images onto the wall. I don't love this. I wouldn't really massively recommend, unless it's just kind of like for a kid or something. It is, I mean, for £1 it's perfectly fine, but it actually flashes really fast, so I'm going to turn it on now. If you're sensitive to flashing, then just be warned, for a second it's going to probably flash. I mean, it's not a super, you know, fast flashing or anything like that, but you can see it lighting up my face. It just, I don't know, doesn't look great. In the dark it doesn't show up very well, and I just don't like that it flashes, so I'll turn it off now, but that is that. Then I just have 2 items left. So one is from the Disney store, and that is this Haunted Mansion cup. It's just the wallpaper design from the Haunted Mansion. Absolutely love it. This was £13. It says Haunted Mansion there on the inside. This is just a sticker because I've not used it yet. But really pretty. My favourite colours, so I had to get this. So there is that. And then the last item I've got is this creepy little doll girl. So she was from Asda. As you can see, she's got like cracked paint on her face and on her little feet and stuff. And she's wearing this little dress that's kind of like dirtied, you could say. So I'm going to move some stuff here because she is animated, so I'm going to press this little button here and show you the 3 phrases that she does. So she's quite loud. Hopefully it's not too loud on the camera.
Let's play Simon Says. Simon says, move your head. Oh, you couldn't do it? Don't worry, I'll help.
So that's the first one, and then
I can't wait for you to see my new trick. What do you think? Do you like it?
and then the last one.
Mommy always said I'd forget my own head if it wasn't attached. Looks like Mommy was dead wrong.
So as you can see, she takes her head off and then there's a light inside, like in her neck, which glows red. Super creepy, love it. Kind of wish it didn't have this bright red like little sewn on patch here. They could have done that black or something, or even just had a sticker that you peel off there or something. But I absolutely love creepy dolls, so she is very, very cute. So yeah, that was everything in my last Halloween haul that I've got up to now. Like I said, I do have a few more items arriving, so if you want to see that stuff, I will be posting that on Instagram, so I'll put my Instagram down below in case you want to follow that. And I will also be doing a little clothing and makeup mini haul as well soon. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Anyway, if you did, please subscribe and I will see you soon. Bye guys.